Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up disappearing messages in the Signal app. This is a great feature for keeping your chats private by automatically deleting messages after a set time. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the process is quick and simple. First, open the Signal app on your phone. Next, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Now find and tap on Disappearing Messages. You will see a list of available durations. Choose one that fits your needs. For example, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 4 weeks. Or tap Custom Time to set your own specific duration. This will set the default timer for all new chats you start from now on. To change the disappearing time for an individual chat, you can do it directly from that chat settings. Remember, the timer starts after the message is seen by the other person. And that's how you enable disappearing messages in Signal. It's a simple way to protect your privacy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay secure.